In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Meta Business Suite from Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disconnect a Facebook page from your business portfolio in Meta Business Suite without deleting the page itself. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. You'll likely see results pointing to Facebook's official business tools. Click the official link that takes you to Meta Business Suite. It usually lives on a Facebook domain like business.facebook.com. If you're unsure, double-check the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate site before you continue. Next, sign in using your Facebook account or your connected Instagram if that's how you manage your assets. Make sure you're logging into the account that has admin access to the business and to the page you want to remove. Without the proper permissions, the remove option won't appear. Once you're signed in, you'll land in Meta Business Suite. From here, head to Settings. Depending on your screen size or layout, Settings may appear as a gear icon in the sidebar. Click it to open the full settings area for your business. In the left-hand menu, choose Business Assets. This is where all the assets connected to your business live, including pages, ad accounts, pixels, and more. We're focusing on pages, so select the Pages tab to see every Facebook page currently associated with this business. Find the specific Facebook page you want to remove and click it to open its details. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to confirm you truly want to disconnect this page from the business portfolio. Removing it won't delete the page, but it will sever its connection to business tools and permissions tied to this business. Now, look for the Remove option. Click Remove. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you understand the change. To finalize, choose Remove Page from Business Portfolio. Read any warnings carefully. If this page is used for ads, shared assets, or managed by team members within this business, those connections will stop after removal. If everything looks right, confirm the removal. That's it. The page is now detached from Meta Business Suite for this business. If you don't see the Remove option, you may not be the page owner or a full admin, or the page might be owned by another business. In that case, you'll need the appropriate admin to complete the removal. Interface labels can shift over time, but the path remains the same. Open Meta Business Suite, go to Settings, Business Assets, choose Pages, select your page, remove, and confirm.